a daring theft that is being reported from the iconic Red Fort in the national capital. A gold-studded kalash or an urn worth over crores of rupees that has been stolen from the Red Fort complex. Now, what is diamonds, rubies and emeralds as well? And now what is being said that this jeweled urn was stolen from a Jain religious ceremony that was being held at the Delhi's Red Fort complex. Let's get in a word from Priyank now. Priyank, we are playing out some CCTV images that are also coming along. Is this the suspect? What is the leads that the police is picking on?
Yes, Shakti Mehta, he is a present location. This incident happened yesterday when there was a huge gathering of members of the Jain community who had gone there. Once the VVIP visit had ended, there was a huge gathering which also came, and taking up of that, this suspect managed to take away this gold kalash from the location. It was a Delhi-based businessman, Sudhir Jain, who used to bring the kalash for the Delhi ritual, and amidst the rush and commotion during the welcome of the kalash was missing. The CCTV footage was a very big gathering which happened near the Red Fort complex. It started on 15th of August and it was expected to end on 9th. But before that, this kalash was identified and it has been stolen so far.
All right, it seems that the suspect's activities has been captured on CCTV. The police have identified the suspect and has expressed the possibility of the arrest very soon. Thank you very much for the moment, Priyank, for joining us.